Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is a countertop stylings, a bakery case. Now let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit, it's about like a 48 and 1/4 inches. And the overall height, they are about like a 27 and 1/4 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like a 22.5 inches deep. So as we can see, the units design the curved glass of the units. They come in with a double layer glass to prevent the heat and giving the better temperature controls. And when we turn around to see the side of the units, we can see they do have a ETL sanitation stickers, diagram informations, and cost sheets. The details they marked here. When we're looking at the behind of the units, we can see they come in with the two sliding doors on the both sides, and also have a big LED light strips on top of the units. At the bottoms, we can see they have a controllers, power switch, and also coming standard 110 plugs from the manufacturers. Let me give you the shelving dimensions. The shelving will be 13 inches deep on top layers. And bottom layers will be 14 inches deep. The length of the shelvings, they are about like a 45.5 inches wide. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.